What does an AGRU pipe have to do with your smartphone? More than you think. Without ultra-pure water and reliable piping systems, modern chip production wouldn't be possible. These are exactly the solutions we showcased at SEMICON.
In addition to its well-known piping systems, AGRU also presented its welding technology. The SP110 V3.1, the latest model in the field of infrared welding. The CleanCut 315 for precise pipe cuts in the clean room. And the SP63 Mobile, the welding device that offers maximum flexibility for on-site welding. Our product lines AGRUCHEM, semi-finished products, PURAD and Poly-Flo pipes offer the best properties for your next cleanroom compatible isometrics, thanks to their high chemical resistance and purity. So it is clear that AGRU is laying the foundation for tomorrow's semiconductor industry.